Hey y'all, welcome to Chaz's Lifestyle. Today we're making a mango and jerk shrimp appetizer. So as you know, I will have all the ingredients listed down below. But to start, I'm just going to show you a couple ingredients that I will be using. Of course, we're using all fresh ingredients. Now, I do have my shrimp here. They are clean, peeled, and deveined. I'm just going to start by adding in some jerk seasoning. I use the Grace brand, or you can use the Walker Woods brand. It doesn't matter. Or you can make your own. I do have a recipe on that if you would like. So I'm just taking the mild jerk seasoning and I'm going to mix that in really well with the shrimp, and then I will marinate everything once I get it all together in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. So in a preheated pan, I'm just adding a little bit of grapeseed oil, but you can use the oil of your choice. This is so simple and easy, you guys. I love it, especially for the summertime. It's just like perfect. It's so refreshing. Just sauteing up some bell peppers a little bit, and then I'm going to throw in some chopped scallions, and I will saute these for a good I'll say a minute or a little bit more than a minute, probably a minute and 10 seconds, just to release all those beautiful flavors from that scallion and those green bell peppers. So after about a minute and 10 seconds, I throw in some minced garlic. You can use fresh minced garlic, which I recommend. It just, oh my gosh, those flavors all together is just going to create an amazing taste, you guys. Just try it and you will see, and you will understand where I'm coming from. So once I feel like all that garlic and its flavors are released, I'm going to go ahead and move on. And I'm just going to drop in my shrimp. This is so easy, y'all. So you drop in your shrimp, you are going to even it out so it can cook evenly. And I'm going to cook this until it's fully cooked. So once you see your shrimp are actually fully cooked, that's when you know it's time to take them out. You don't want to overcook your shrimp. You don't want it to be like a chewy texture. So once I have all my shrimp flattened out, I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle in my fresh mango slices. You want your mango to become a little soft. You want a mango that's not as ripe yet. That way, when you chop it up, it's not like slimy or mushy, too much to where you can't work with it. You're going to chop your mango up and you're going to put it in the pan, and it's going to soften up, and all those flavors from the scallions and green bell peppers and the jerk is going to just like suck in the mango. It's so good. Now here I'm adding in some lemon. I want a little bit of a citrus taste, but also that lemon helps release all those flavors as well from everything and brings it together. Now next we're going to sprinkle in some chopped cilantro. You can add as much as you like. I would say add about a tablespoon and a half. You can add some afterwards. And yeah, so we're going to mix this in, let it cook on a medium heat until your shrimp are fully cooked. We're really worried about the shrimp, and you want your mango to be a little bit soft. Like I said, this recipe is super fast and easy. I love a lot of recipes with shrimp and fresh fruit and stuff like that, or fresh herbs, because you're just going to eat it right away. It's so good. Okay, y'all. So this is the final product. Now, if you decide to try it, don't forget to tag me on Instagram at Chaz's Cuisines. I would love to see your results. I will have all the ingredients and measurements listed down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.